our vision for MIgardener is not just going to be a place where you can buy seeds, not just a place where you can get fertilizer or gardening information, inspiration, but also where you can find new varieties and plants that you might otherwise not have tried, plants that we sell seeds for, but you might be nervous to buy a pack of seeds if you don't feel confident starting seeds. And so the greenhouse is just kind of a natural progression for us to build on that idea of kind of being a one-stop garden shop for everybody, and really putting quality and organic practices at the forefront of the home gardening movement.